Scorecard is a data comparison between two different textual datasets. It can describe the overlapping concepts and also the differences between the datasets. Headai GraphMind algorithm organizes the map so that the concept that has the highest number of appearances in the data is positioned in the center. Around it, it builds the 6 concepts with the strongest relations to it. The map is filled with the same method from the center to the outer edges. By hovering the mouse, you can find the skill clusters in the map. The legend explains the colors. Basically, the green color indicates the overlapping area. The orange concepts are only found in data number 1 and the blue in data number 2. You can zoom in and zoom out with your mouse scrolling wheel. Originally, the strongest concept is in the center, but you can click any concept to bring it in the center and the map will reorganize around it.